Hello everyone and welcome on this new deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, I'm really proud to say that last Saturday I have sent a signal to sell the gold right from 2593. As you can see, this signal has failed and hit the stop loss, but however then on Tuesday I actually have followed it up later with another signal to buy from 2623, and as you can see, this was, my friends, a winning signal. The gold did not only reach 420 pips of profit, but almost 1,000 pips. It stopped actually at 930 pips. So this was really one perfect signal, and I hope you guys have taken it, and hopefully it has recovered any losses happened with the last gold signal. Also, another disclaimer I have to make. Actually, on our premium gold signals scalping channel, we are surely admitting that the signals were not really up to the expectations last week. Last week, my friends, we actually had a lot of losses. Scalping the gold was really challenging. But again, I would like to make a disclaimer right now that the one who is sending these signals is actually my partner, Theodore. Theodore actually has been an Xtreme Trader for the last 3 years. He's sending the VIP Forex signals and sending also the gold premium signals. And he's actually doing a better job than me. And last month, the signals were really fantastic and in profit, but only last week was really bad. So we had a meeting yesterday night and we discussed the mistakes. And I would like to show you the results after bringing his attention to the mistakes. These are the results of the new way of sending the gold scalping signals. As you can see, 32 win against 5 losses only. That's over 90% of winning ratio, if maybe 88. But that is really good, and I'm very excited about the next week. I believe it's gonna be a winning week for everybody who is in the premium gold signals, and we are hoping for the best, and we will show you the new way of scalping the gold. And my friends, of course, don't forget to join our free channel on Telegram. This is, of course, the channel Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. Make sure to join me today and be part of Xtreme Trader to receive any updates about this signal that you are about to receive right now on YouTube. So now, what's next with the gold? That's the big question. Now, first of all, it's important to understand what happened with the gold. So the gold, my friends, has actually made a bearish breakout from 2600, as you can see right here, and went down in over 640 pips before rise back again above 2600. So what's happening? Actually, 2500, 2600, 2700, these are actually critical levels. So the gold, for the gold being able in under just 1 week to go from 2600 to over 2700, it means that the gold is on a crazy bullish movement. Why it's happening? Of course, due to the recent updates about the Russian and Ukrainian war. Mr. Putin right now is actually threatening the entire NATO, I think, and the United States, when actually after Kiev have actually used a US missile against Russia. Mr. Putin now actually hinted for a possible third world war. So that's the reason, of course. Now the gold, after Mr. Trump winning the election, the gold actually dropped for over almost 2,400 pips, and now after the escalating issue in the war in Russia and Ukraine, the gold right now is rising again. So the gold is still rising, and now from technical view, the gold, my friends, has not actually respected this level of a broken resistance at 2,672. Everyone was actually waiting for the gold, and I'm sure a lot of signal providers were actually ready to sell the gold right from here, expecting from the gold to create here now a head and shoulders, and then expecting from the gold to continue the fall. Well, I have a news for you, that didn't happen. Instead, the gold just kept rising. So now what's next with the gold? Now, since the gold has actually failed to respect every single resistance right here on 2674, even right here at 2704, the gold most likely right now, my friends, is going to continue the rise. Let me show you something else here based on daily chart. So based on daily chart, we have here, of course, a broken level of a support trend line. As we can see right here, the support trend line, then the bearish breakout candle, and now the gold, after reaching this level of a support trend line, did not reverse right here, did not create a resistance trend line. It didn't work, and instantly the gold just kept rising. So that means a very strong bullish movement. And in my opinion, what will gonna happen next is that the gold by opening on Monday will actually fall back again, and hopefully this time this level of a support trend line most likely will be respected again, and the gold from this point will continue the rise. Now, why do I say that? Because if we check right now the Fibonacci retracement, check this out. The gold, my friends, has indeed made just now a bullish breakout from 61.8. And as you know, when the market moving on a downtrend, it actually changes the direction from downtrend to upper trend only when the market breaks out from Fibonacci 61.8. That's the reversal point that you should know the market is no longer on a downtrend and most likely right now is going to be on an upper trend. Now, as you can see here, the market already broke out from 61.8 on daily chart. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now check this out, this is interesting. Based on the 4-hour time frame, the market has already indeed retested the same level of a support trend line and already became here a new support trend line, which indicates indeed a strength in the bullish momentum, and the gold most likely will continue the rise at least to reach the strongest level of a key resistance right here at 2,750, which is going to be, of course, our take profit level. So the gold still has around 340 pips more to go. Now the question is, where exactly is the best level to rebuy the gold again? Well, in my opinion, the safest entry ever is going to be right here exactly at the level of Fibonacci 61.8 as 2,694. That's basically going to be the new level to start buying the gold, hoping of course for the best, and hopefully since the market actually has already here created a support level or a supported trend line, we can actually hope for the market to respect the same level of the new supported trend line, plus of course retesting the broken level of the Fibonacci 61.8 and afterward continue the rise toward our resistance right here, which means we are looking for around 564 pips of profit. Meanwhile, in this case, the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the bottom of the real support right here as well at 2,673, expecting around 215 pips of a safe zone. Let me know, please, my friends, write the signal for you. And there goes, my friends, our deal on the gold for the next week. And again, don't forget to join our free channel on Telegram to receive any updates about the signal. I will update you personally right here. If the market went against our direction, I will update you to close it right now in a small loss before it reaches the edge of the safe zone. And I will update you what to do next with the signal. And if we can keep it, I will tell you we can actually keep the signal. Just make sure to join the real channel, Xtreme Trader channel, Xtreme Trader Signals, or you can just simply find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.